Well, there is the iconic Jefferson / Market East Station mosaic. And a plot twist, I got off at track 2 when I usually get off on track 1. So, you know what that means. We're gonna see if this elevator is working again. There's some announcements right there for all the regional rail lines. Track 1, Section B. Love it at night. It's better to take an outbound at night, in my opinion, because you get the full effect of the mosaic better. There's the escalators. There goes the train I just got off of to Temple. Temple University is the last stop on this train. Watch the gap when exiting. Have your key cards or passes ready to tap at the turnstiles to exit the station. There's all the track 1. Jefferson Station logo. More of the mosaic. Is this elevator working, or is it still broken? Seems to be working. Oh shit. I think I need to tap my key card before I do. There we go. Let's try it. This is an Otis installed in 1984, and I'm here doing some Christmas shopping. Is it coming down or not? Should be. Here it comes. Here it is. Let's go to S. There's the concourse. We're gonna go back down to P. Let's go back down to P. Voice doesn't work anymore. P, close it up. Let's get a cab view. Whoa, jolted a bit going down. There is the concourse right there. And here we are back at the platform. I don't think it dings unless it's responding to a call, but there is Jefferson right there. S for silent take. Yeah, it doesn't. C and P. That doesn't light up. Fixtures. We are going to call it back up to get that lantern going off. There it goes. And that's it.